Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Starter Templates plugin. This plugin is created by Brainstorm Force, the team which creates Astra theme. So in today's video we are going to learn how to use this plugin, how to build your site from scratch using this plugin. So let's get started. So first, as you can see, this is our website, test website. There is no content here. We are going to into WordPress dashboard. Clicks on plugins, add new. We are going to search starter templates. This is the first plugin we want to install, activate. This plugin works with all the major themes. For example, this was created for Astra, but after that, after some time they updated this plugin. So this plugin currently works for Hello theme, Ocean WP theme, and all the major themes. So you can use this plugin with any theme. For today's purpose, I am going to use this plugin with Astra theme. So first we are going to install Astra theme, and then after that we are going to use this plugin. So as you can see, we already have Astra installed and activated. So we are going to use this plugin. So for that, in appearance, we are going to click on starter templates. As you can see here, it is asking to select a page builder. So there are four page builders supported by starter templates plugin. First one is Elementor, second one is Beaver Builder, Gutenberg and Breezy. So today we are going to create a website using Elementor, as it is a very popular page builder in WordPress. So as you can see, when we clicked on Elementor, it is showing website templates which we can use to build our own website. As you can see, there are some templates have agency tag on them. So if you want to use this template, you need to purchase their agency bundle. So for example, if you go to wpastra.com, you can see that they are selling agency bundle, and it is priced around $250. As you can see, if you want to use any agency template, you need to have mini agency bundle or agency bundle, so you can use those agency starter templates. So in today's video we are going to use free template, so we don't need this that package. So for example, for today's purpose, we are going to create a website using Life Coach template. So as I click in this template, as you can see, this template has 5 pages: home page, about page, work with me page, contact page and books page. So if you think this page is relevant for your website, you can select this template. Else we can go back and check another template. So for example, today I want to create a website, blog website. So let me see, are there any good designs for blog? So we can type here blog. So for example, for today's video, I want to use this template, fashion lifestyle blog. Let's select this. This template has 3 pages: home page, blog page and contact page. We can import specific page or we can import entire website. So today we are going to import entire website. So click on import complete site. As we click on this, the process started. It is asking us options. For example, if you previously imported any website using starter templates plugin, you can select the option, so previous website will be deleted. Currently we are using this plugin first time, so we don't need to select this option, and remaining settings we are going to keep the same, and we are going to click on import button. As this template need additional plugins like Elementor, Astra widgets, so this process is going to install those plugins and import the data, and after that we can see our ready-made website. As you can see, the import is completed. This import has installed the necessary plugins and also import the necessary data for the website. We can click on this button, view site, to see our website. So as you can see here, our website is created. We didn't need to design it from scratch. So from now, what we can do, we can design this existing website and create our own website. So as you can see how it is easier to create a website using starter templates plugin. So right now, if you want to change text in this website, or if you want to change the image in this website, you can do it with Elementor. If you want to learn about Elementor, you can check other videos about Elementor. In this video, our purpose was to showcase how powerful starter templates plugin is and how much easier to build a website using starter templates plugin. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.